In today's video, I am going to teach you how to extract emails from Google Maps for your marketing purpose, or if you are a individual and want to sell a product or service and want to target the audience and want to increase your reach, you can use this tool. This is a simple tool, not too much expensive. It will cost you hardly $1 to $2, and you can get thousands of the leads on daily basis. So first of all, I will show you a demo. If you search restaurants in New York, for example, and go to Google Maps, and you should know that on the Google Maps the businesses that are listed are 99% real businesses, because Google verification method is very tough. No one can enlist its business on Google Map until he gets verified from Google. So here I have searched restaurant in New York, and here you see there are a lot of restaurants, and if you want to extract these restaurants information, you have to go to each of them manually, and then you have to copy their email and then their contact number and website URL, and then you may contact them. But here the tool that I am going to showing you, if you use this, the tool is WA Sender. If you open this tool, and I will show you the magic how it will work, you have to open this tool and then you have to go to the here settings, and here if you see Google Map Data Extractor, and here click grab data, and first you have to start initiate. When you will click, and here you have to write down your query, and for example our query was restaurants in New York. So you can search specific restaurants. For the restaurants in New York, Las Vegas, in New York State. But now I am just only pasting this query here, and then I will add search, and here, and then click search, and now it will open Google Map automatically. And here again come back and check this box, grab email. What it will extract? It will extract the name of the restaurant, their mobile number. Also it will extract their reviews, how many reviews this business has, how many reviews, and rating, and the category, in which category this business has been listed, and address and website URL. So here I will click on start grabbing, and here you will see the magic. It will, here see it's count 0, and now it will start grabbing. Now it has grabbed the first business, and it will automatically grab these businesses along with number and their review count and rating and category and address and website URL. You can use this for your marketing purpose. So hope you will like this video, and if you need this software, you may contact me. My WhatsApp number is given in the video, and you can contact me anytime. I will help you in this regard. I will provide you this software. The complete software is different because it's a WhatsApp marketing software, but a feature that is also added in this software is the Google Map Data Extractor. If you need whole software along with WhatsApp marketing, that price will be different. So email me. I have also given the email address. Email me or contact me through WhatsApp. I will give you this software. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.